Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Fena Saptiani dari kelas manajemen 22A dengan NPM 22411033. Pada kesempatan kali ini, di sini saya ingin menjelaskan materi manajemen keuangan yang ke-9 yang berjudul analisis struktur kapital. Definition of capital structure. According to financial expert I.M. Pandey, capital structure or capital structure refers to a mix of long-term sources of funds, such as debentures long-term debt, preferred share capital, and equity share capital, including reserve and surplus. Financial expert John J. Hampton states that capital structure is a combination of debt and equity securities consisting of financial of company as asset. In another sense, capital structure is a balance or comparison between owned capital and foreign capital. Deep in this sense, owned capital is retained and ownership companies, while foreign capital is in the form of short-term debt as well as a long-term debt. Capital structure function. Yang pertama, maximize returns. Well-designed capital arrangements provide scope to insert earning pressure so as to maximize return for equity shareholders and recover borrowing costs. Yang kedua ada reduce risk. The correct structure can balance the debt and equity of a business. That way, it can helping companies to manage and mitigate financial risk. Yang ketiga ada minimize capital costs. Capital structure can provide long-term debt capital planning for companies strategical that can help minimize capital costs. Yang keempat ada optimize fund utilization. Good and systematical structure capital arrangements help companies in product optimal output of available funds. Yang kelima ada assisting with corporate tax planning. For companies that cause debt funds, good capital management can help reduce tax benefit and savings so that reduce borrowing costs. Corporate tax optimization can be done by using an application like Online Pajak. As a service provider, tax application Online Pajak has features that can optimize corporate taxes and avoid risk non-compliance so as to maximize the company capital. Yang sekian ada flexibility. A good capital structure can facilitate expansion or contraction debt capital to fit the company's strategy and condition. Solvency. Good management of the structure can help maintain liquidity of the company due to a planned debt capital may cause interest payment burns, which can reduce company cash. Yang terakhir ada increase company value. A sound capital structure can attract investor attention to invest in a company. That way can increase the market value of stock and security company. Capital structure theory. Yang pertama ada traditional approach theory. This theory states the extension of an optimal capital structure. Means structure has an influence on the value of the company, which is structure can change to get company value optimal. Yang kedua ada threat of the theory. This theory determines the optimal structure by including some factors such as taxes, agency funds, or difficult finance. However, it retains a semantic assumption. Information and market efficiency subusines actor, wielding about save one tax and the cost hardship of finance. Yang ketiga ada Modigliani and Miller's theory of approach. This theory was named by its originator François Modigliani and Merton Miller. This theory is divided into two, namely the theory without taxes and the theory with taxes. Yang keempat ada packaging order theory. This theory states that the level of profit of a higher company will have a level similar debt, especially the company have an order of preference in the use of funds against theory. Yang kelima ada agency theory. This theory states the structure are made to reduce confliction between groups that have interests. Influencing factor capital structure. Yang number one, this is asset structure tangibility. According to Weston and Brigham, the structure of asset is the balance or comparison between fixed asset and total asset. Then there is also, according to Samsudin, the structure of asset is determination of the amount of allocation of funds for each asset components, both fixed asset and current asset. Yang kedua ada growth opportunity. Growth opportunity is the opportunity for the company to grow in the future. But according to Cartini and Arianto 2008, growth opportunity is change in total asset owned by the company. Company size, firm size. Large companies tend to diverse product and determine the location to get as much profit as possible. Because of this, company will be better prepared for crisis to its big size. Profitability. Company with high profit general have more internal funds money. That is, the company as whole has lower debt to the internal funds that unlock. This can affect capital structuring. Business risks. This factor can be one of the reasons companies have difficulty to external funding, which will negatively affect the use of company asset of fund. How manage this capital structure? To be able to decide on the ideal capital structure for the company, managers analysis using weight average cost of capital calculation. The weight average cost of capital, which is a for cost of capital after tax from all funding secretions such as amount, stock, preferred stock, bonds, and other types of debt. Weighted average cost of capital is the method used to determine the required rate of return or minimum profit, which is later used to pay capital costs. To be able to calculate ways, a manager needs to analyze various costs on all components in each of these funding methods, which is its investor interest, either its shareholder or bundle. The larger the watch, the greater the interested investor, but the company profit are becoming smaller and smaller. Conclusion: we can understand the capital structure as a compression that occurs in capital returns, with equity capital ownership in the both short term and long. The purpose of the capital structure itself is the company permanent and current source of funds for the company operation. This can be realized if the company has a management structure, good capital financial condition, both internal and external financial mention, will also avoid external debt or loans. The hope is the company can have significant progress financial by understanding the capital structure well. Moreover, companies with good capital structure are sought after by investors who want to invest the money. This is what makes the company capable survive in competitive conditions will keep safe so that the company will avoid bankruptcy. Terima kasih penjelasan dari saya kali ini. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.